Welcome, coin enthusiasts. Are you sitting on a hidden treasure? In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of rare 1971 bicentennial half-dollar coins that could be worth millions. That's right. What might seem like a simple coin could change your life forever. We'll uncover the rare errors, pristine conditions, and silver editions that are sought after by collectors and could make you a fortune. Let's start it. The 1971 bicentennial half-dollar is one of the most captivating coins in American numismatic history. Celebrating the 200th anniversary of the United States, this coin was minted to commemorate the country's rich past. While it was originally produced as part of a mass circulation of commemorative coins, there are rare versions that have skyrocketed in value over time. What many people don't realize is that some of these bicentennial half-dollars, especially those in pristine condition or with rare mistakes, have an incredible worth that could change the life of anyone lucky enough to own one. These rare coins, often overlooked or dismissed, are the hidden treasures of the numismatic world. The standard 1971 bicentennial half-dollar was minted in vast quantities, primarily for circulation, which made them relatively common. However, certain versions, especially those that were produced with unique errors or anomalies, are incredibly rare. These mistakes in minting are what make certain coins so valuable. For example, some coins were struck with double die errors, where the engraving process results in a doubled image on the coin. If you find a bicentennial half-dollar with such a flaw, you could be holding onto a piece of history worth tens of thousands of dollars or more. It's these specific errors that turn an otherwise common coin into an absolute gem for collectors and investors alike. The real treasure lies in the uncirculated or near-mint versions of the 1971 bicentennial half-dollar. These coins, often tucked away in private collections or discovered in old family coin jars, are worth far more than their face value. Coins that have been preserved in pristine condition, free from scratches or wear, hold a rare allure for serious collectors. In particular, uncirculated examples of the 1971 bicentennial half-dollar could fetch prices well into the thousands, especially if they exhibit exceptional quality, such as flawless designs and high-quality minting marks. It's not just about rarity. The coin's condition can make all the difference when it comes to valuation. The value of these rare bicentennial half-dollars is driven by the high demand from collectors who are looking to complete their sets of American history coins. What makes this coin particularly special is the symbolism behind it. The 200th anniversary of the United States. Coins like these represent a snapshot of a pivotal moment in American history, and collectors are always eager to secure a piece of this legacy. Over the years, as the interest in rare and historical coins continues to grow, the value of these bicentennial half-dollars has only increased, often reaching the levels of millions of dollars in the right circumstances. Interestingly, the 1971 bicentennial half-dollar was made with a unique design, which adds to its collectability. The reverse of the coin features a striking rendition of the Liberty Bell, with the year 1776 boldly inscribed to commemorate the founding of the nation. Meanwhile, the obverse displays a bust of President Eisenhower, chosen for his leadership. During the time of the coin's design, the intricate design choices made by the U.S. Mint have only amplified the coin's appeal. While the vast majority of these coins were intended for circulation, those with specific characteristics, such as proof versions or special editions, are incredibly valuable today. A truly rare subset of these coins are the so-called silver bicentennial half-dollars. While the standard circulating coins were made with copper-nickel, a limited run of 40% silver bicentennial half-dollars was produced for collectors. These silver coins carry a premium value far above the face value of a regular half-dollar. Not only do these silver versions have intrinsic value due to their precious metal content, but their relative scarcity in comparison to the copper-nickel variants adds a layer of rarity and desirability. Collectors constantly seek out these silver versions, making them one of the most sought-after and expensive variations in the entire series. The key to unlocking the true value of your 1971 bicentennial half-dollar lies in its grade and overall rarity. In coin collecting, the term grade refers to the condition of the coin, and this is a crucial factor in determining its value. Coins are graded on a scale from 1 to 70, with higher grades indicating better preservation. Coins that are graded at 65 or higher are considered to be in excellent condition, and they command a premium in the marketplace. The 1973 USA bicentennial half-dollar is one of the most fascinating and valuable coins in the history of American numismatics. While the majority of these coins were struck for circulation and are often found in the pockets of everyday Americans, some rare specimens are worth a small fortune today. The bicentennial coin series was issued to celebrate the 200th anniversary of the United States, making it a significant piece of American history. The most interesting aspect is that despite being minted for circulation, a few of these coins have characteristics that make them highly valuable, both to collectors and investors. If you happen to own one of these rare specimens, it might be time to take a closer look because it could change your financial future. What makes these coins so precious is not their widespread circulation, but the few that possess unique variations. The bicentennial half-dollar was minted with a special design that featured a drummer boy, symbolizing the country's revolutionary past. This design is one of the most recognized and celebrated in American coinage history, and it gives these coins their cultural and historical significance. However, the rarity of valuable bicentennial coins lies in specific errors during their production, unique minting conditions, or variations in the way the coins were struck, all of which make some of these coins highly sought after by collectors. As a result, many of these coins that were once seen as simple pocket change are now prized possessions, worth far more than their face value. Collectors and numismatists often seek out specific editions of the bicentennial coins, particularly those that were struck with rare characteristics. A key factor in determining the value of these coins is the mint mark, which indicates where the coin was produced. The three mints involved in the production of the bicentennial coins were Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. Moreover, coins that were produced with distinctive error marks, such as double-struck images or off-center strikes, can fetch enormous sums at auctions. These coins are no longer seen as just pieces of history, but rather as a way to preserve wealth and create long-term financial stability. Another reason these coins are so valuable is that they were produced during a period of inflation and high demand for currency, which created an opportunity for errors in minting. Some of the rarest examples include coins that were mistakenly struck with the wrong metal, or those that were part of an experimental minting process. These rare and often unintentional mistakes have led to the high value of specific bicentennial half-dollars. The value of these coins continues to increase over time, especially as collectors and investors become more aware of their existence. Even coins that were once discarded or overlooked are now attracting attention from serious numismatic enthusiasts who know just how valuable these pieces are. A significant factor contributing to the increase in value of these bicentennial coins is their connection to the history of the United States. The bicentennial half-dollar was produced not only to commemorate the country's 2-century anniversary, but also to honor the people who fought for America's independence. For this reason, many consider these coins a tangible link to the nation's storied past, adding an emotional and historical value that goes beyond the metal it's made from. The excitement surrounding these coins comes from the notion that owning one is like holding a piece of American history in your hand. With each passing year, more and more people are discovering the potential windfall these coins could represent. Even in their standard form, bicentennial half-dollars can hold considerable value over time. But the true gems are the error coins, or those produced in smaller numbers. Some of the rarest specimens, such as those featuring misprints or distinctive imperfections, have been sold for thousands, even hundreds of thousands of dollars at auction. The most valuable coins in this series are known to fetch astronomical amounts when sold to the right collector. In fact, many of these coins can easily become a source of untold wealth for their owners. For anyone lucky enough to own one of these rare coins, it could be worth thousands or even millions of dollars today, depending on its rarity and condition. In addition to the inherent rarity of these coins, the demand for them has steadily grown over the years. As the market for rare coins continues to increase, the potential for these pieces to appreciate in value is immense. Many coin collectors view the bicentennial half-dollar as a safe and profitable investment, and they are willing to pay top dollar for a coin in pristine condition. Moreover, as more people become aware of the financial benefits of collecting rare coins, the market for these bicentennial coins is expected to grow exponentially. Thanks for watching our video.